know that, well, my questions have helped me to know something. And so from that point of knowing down into the future, I'm better off than I used to be. While there are some who would see that, you know, it doesn't know, he's always asking questions on LinkedIn, and he doesn't know, and all of those kinds of things. So, but I'm here today simply because I damn all the consequences of anybody knowing that I don't. And I was ready to develop myself for people who felt that I know. And so that was how I was asking those questions on those Excel forums. They were international Excel forums. I started from asking questions and it got to the point where I was answering questions and then the development continued that way. So, well, that's apart. The WhatsApp group came, had a lot of people coming. It was quite exciting for some of those who were proffering solutions to have people call them, please, I have this issue, can you help me? And it gets resolved. You know, you come to see that thing that Jesus Christ mentioned of that there's happiness in giving, that there is in receiving. But that was how it was. And then the number grew, and it grew above the 250-something level that WhatsApp wanted. So we decided that, look, it's time to go to a bigger platform. And that's what gave birth to Telegram. So Telegram has brought many of us here today. This is the third meetup that we are having. The first one was, how do I describe it? Divide this room into 8. So just that was about where we had in space. It was very fulfilling. We had people, we had somebody coming in from Abuja and
from Port Harcourt, was a guy from Tenaris.
It was as if people would respond, small but they did respond, then this is something we want to be doing all along. So the second one came up and we were privileged to have that at the Microsoft office, you know, there at PI, and it was a memorable one for all those who attended. Apart from those who have organized this meetup, I mean the organizers, are there others who were in the Microsoft meetup that any? You were there?
Last year.
Yeah, last year. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. But there are quite few. Okay, there are quite few. So it's happy to have new persons, you know, joining us this time, and we should expect those who were with us in the last one to join us also in this one. So that's how we have developed, and trust me, today we'll be having more persons than we had in the last meetup. Now, what goes into this meetup? For some of you, we welcome, you know, prior to preparing and everything, we welcome people to come up with things they have done with Microsoft Excel. Sometimes things they have done, they feel not many persons know that this can be done. So these people come, put up their request that they want to present so and so, and then from all the submissions to get what will be presented today. So that's why I said that feel free, because when presentations are going on, you may have questions related to those presentations, and just feel free So that's about the general